Are you ignoring your email inbox right now? Be honest. You probably have 2,000 unread messages and you just swipe, archive, swipe, archive. But when this thing buzzes in your pocket with a text message, you look instantly. We are biologically programmed to look at text messages. The open rate is like 98%. It's the holy grail of marketing. So why aren't we all sending SMS campaigns every day? Because it is expensive. You send a text to 1,000 people on a normal platform and you just spent 10 bucks. Do that every day? That's 300 on a month just in usage fees. But what if I told you there's a loophole? A way to send thousands of marketing texts for basically $0? I found this tool on AppSumo called TextLink. It's a lifetime deal, and it claims to bypass the expensive gateway fees by using something you probably already have in your junk drawer. Check the link in the description if you want to see the deal terms, but do not buy it yet. There is a massive hardware requirement, literally a physical object you need, and if you don't have it, this software is useless to you. Let's break it down. Okay, let's talk about the SMS trap. If you're a solopreneur, a local business owner, or just a creator trying to sell something, you know you need to text your customers. Appointment reminders, flash sales, whatever. But the big guys, easy texting, simple texting, Twilio, they get you twice. First, they charge you a monthly subscription just to log in. That's like $50 a month. Then, they charge you credits for every single text you send. It feels like being nickeled and dimed to death. You send a happy birthday text and you're thinking, that just cost me 4 cents once, but it kills your creativity because you're afraid of the bill. So when I saw TextLink on AppSumo for a one-time price, I thought, okay, surely they are just reselling Twilio credits, right? They're going to give me 500 credits a month and then upsell me. That's what I expected, but that is not what this is. TextLink is actually, how do I explain this? It's a bridge. It connects your computer to your phone plan. You know that unlimited texting plan you have on your mobile carrier? The one you pay a flat rate for? TextLink lets you use that unlimited plan to send bulk messages from your computer. But there's a catch, a big green bubble-shaped catch. I'll get to that in the demo. So let me walk you through the setup. Because this was different. I logged into the dashboard, no credit card required for credits. Instead, it asked me to download an app. Here's the kicker. It's an Android app. If you are an iPhone user, I'm sorry, you can stop watching now, or go buy a $40 burner Android phone on eBay. Because this system only works if you have an Android device to act as the gateway. So I dug out my old Samsung Galaxy from 3 years ago. I put a spare SIM card in it with an unlimited texting plan. I installed the TextLink app on the phone, I scanned a QR code on my computer screen, and suddenly, my computer was controlling the phone. Scenario, I wanted to send a blast to my 50 VIP clients about a new service. I uploaded a CSV file of numbers. I typed the message, hey, first name, I have 2 slots left for next week. I hit send. I watched the phone. And literally, on the screen of the phone, I saw the messages typing themselves and sending. Zip, zip, zip. It was sending them through the SIM card. Total cost? $0 extra dollars. It was just using the unlimited plan I was already paying for. It felt like a superpower. I just bypassed the middleman tax of the telecom giants. And then, my phone buzzed. Someone replied, hey, how much is it? The reply showed up on my computer dashboard instantly. I didn't have to touch the phone. I replied from my laptop and it sent back out through the phone. It's a full two-way CRM, but the engine is just a phone sitting on your desk, plugged into a charger. Now, let's talk about living with this thing, because it sounds hacky, right? If you run a local gym or a hair salon or a small agency, you don't need to send 100,000 texts in 1 second. You need to send 50 reminders a day. For you, this daily integration is seamless. You leave the Android phone plugged in at the office or your house, connected to Wi-Fi. You manage everything from the web browser on your laptop. Speed and warm up. There is a learning curve here regarding speed. Because you are sending through a real SIM card, you can't blast 5,000 people in 1 minute. The carriers, T-Mobile, Verizon, etc., will think you are a spam bot and block your SIM. TextLink has a throttle feature. I set mine to send one message every 10 seconds. It's slower, but it's safer. It mimics a human thumb. Chrome extension? They don't have a Chrome extension yet, but the mobile-friendly web dashboard works fine. Support and roadmap. The team seems to be scrappy. They are bootstrapped. I saw them in the questions section. They are adding features like spin tax, which rotates your message wording so you don't look like a bot. That's a pro feature usually found in $200 tools. And remember, you own this. No monthly subscription to the software, just your phone bill. All right, let's get real. Is this a magic bullet? No, there are serious limitations. The pros. Cost. This is unbeatable. If you have an unlimited text plan, your cost per message is effectively zero. Lifetime deal. You pay AppSumo once, you never pay TextLink again. Deliverability, because these come from a real long code, a real 10-digit phone number, people trust them. It doesn't look like a 55599 bot spam. It looks like a person. Privacy. You own the data. It's on your device. The cons. And these are big. Android requirement. No. Android? No deal. You simply cannot use this with an iPhone as the gateway. You can manage the dashboard from a Mac, but the sender must be Android. Throughput speed. This is not for massive brands. If you need to send 50,000 alerts in 5 minutes, do not buy this. You will burn your SIM card. This is for slow and steady relationship marketing. Carrier risk. If you are too aggressive, your carrier, AT&T, Verizon, etc., can shut off your SIM card for commercial use violation. You have to be smart. Use the throttling tools. Your phone must be on. If the Android phone dies or loses Wi-Fi, your campaign stops. You are the server. So, the final verdict. If you've been feeling guilty about neglecting your customer list because you're too cheap to pay for Twilio, TextLink is your answer. It turns a spare phone into a marketing employee that works for free. Who should buy this? Real estate agents. Send open house updates from a real number. Local service biz, dentists, gyms, plumbers. Appointment reminders are free now. Affiliate marketers. Who want to do two-way conversations at scale? Who should skip it? iPhone purists. Unless you are willing to buy a burner Android. Enterprise Corp. If you need 100% guaranteed delivery speed for OTP codes, stick to Twilio API. And this is too DIY for you. The deal. It's on AppSumo right now. The price is ridiculously low compared to 1 month of easy texting. Plus, AppSumo has the 60-day money-back guarantee. Buy it. Grab an old Android from a drawer. Test it. If it doesn't work with your carrier, return it. You lose nothing. If you want to support the channel and start texting like a human, grab the deal through the link in the show notes below. Go find that old charger cable. You're going to need it.